Welcome to the Deal Ninja. Whoosh, awesome. We're always looking for those unique gifts. These ones are specifically for like preppers or survivalists, but it's not simply just gear, really cool gear. And of course, I'll link it all below. Let's jump right into it. Let's start off with something really fun. For only 20 bucks, you can get this giant double blade throwing axe. How fun is this? Of course, this is a kind of like survivalist prepping video, but who knows, maybe we'll get really good at it and you can go hunting with this guy. So cool. And if you do bag some tasty victuals, here you go. Here is your hunting field dressing kit. I have this exact set. I've had it for years. I love it because everything stays nice and handy in this case and has everything you need to be able to butcher and process your game. But let's be realistic. More than likely you're going to bag yourself and hit yourself. So we have this emergency trauma kit. Has all kinds of things, including a good Gen 7 cat application tourniquet, something you must have, and everything in this nice case to be able to carry it with you. You need to have a personal first aid kit, pretty much always handy. In this trauma one, perfect to save lives. Let's get back to playing with knives. For $15, you get this Grumpy Bear hatchet. It's got a line carving on it. This is so cool. I love stylish things like this, and it actually works. It's good for hiking, bushcraft, or survival. A must-have item. 15 bucks. And of course, it's something every survivalist, every prepper wants to have is you can never get too much paracord. Here's 1,000 feet of paracord, all kinds of stylish colors for 60 bucks. So far, this is great. Really cool items. I'll link them below in case you want to pick them up. And for $61, how about this amazing camping light? It has a remote control, but either way, it has lights that you can put as far as on your table, or you can put it up high so you can light up your whole area. Very cool. And being rechargeable, you can power it up with your solar generator. Nice. Or how about a Green Show electric portable water filter? This is great for camping, great for survival, but since it is actually portable and USB charging, even has hand crank on it too with solar, well, you don't have to actually pump out the water yourself, but literally this can do it for you. Going for only $64. Oh boy, and this is on the top of my list. It's a Damascus steel Predator handmade hunting knife. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? $48. So of course, I'm going to say it. If you're looking for something to get for your favorite Goshen prepping host, you know what? Maybe this is the item. Totally kidding. Just watching the videos and you being here is enough for me. Okay, this is seriously stepping up your game. It is a night vision monocular. Military grade. This is amazing. You can either do it handheld or you can use it as a scope on your hunting rifle. $2,500, which is really good. Normally goes for $3,000. These things are worth their weight in gold. All right, last item. Very cool. It is a DJI Mini 4K drone. Very nice. I have one of these, and it's amazing to be able to survey your property, see what's happening outside. And you know what? In reality, it is just way too much fun. $240 instead of $300. There we go. 10 items. What would you add to the list, by the way? Because these are really cool. Hopefully you found some really good deals this year. So click on the links. You can pick them up. We're Amazon affiliates. If you do purchase it, we'll get a portion of the sale, but your price doesn't change, and it helps fund our channel. And we say thank you because we like to keep our channel free for you. Put in the comments below, what have you picked up this year? Really good deals on beautiful items. And as always, thanks for watching.